there is a fountain update. As you see, the water fountain is doing pretty good because it's almost done. The only thing that is not done is like the waterfall is leaking there, so we will fix that next week. But everything else is done. So here's a tour of the system. So and there's the skimmer. There's the really big filter. It is really deep. Yeah. There's the pipes, waste, and there's if it comes down too much, that will make the water level go back with that sensor down in that tube. And there are all the cables hidden behind this really nice fake rock. So if I just try to lift it up for you guys, so here are all the stuff as the inside of the rock. So yeah, the cables, there is a lot. Let's turn off the pumps, or hopefully you guys get a better view than me. Yeah. So here is the brains. That's for the like that valve thingy I talked about. That and there's that smart cable. This is a end of that cable that controls everything. I don't know why that's blinking. That hopefully means that something's good. But the thing is that this cable goes to every pump, the lights in the system. Sadly, we did not take a photo of it during its construction, but there are LED lights down there. Yeah, so that's that. The pump is kicking back up. You see the bubbles. Yeah, so this is a functioning system. Yeah, so hopefully this or nothing fails here, because this whole thing was very expensive. 2 million forints to be exact. So yeah, now it's kicking back full blast. Pumps down there, that gray thingy. Yeah. Actually, I like how you turn the crap out of this thing, because you just lift it up and I will do a demo. First, hopefully it will fix itself, but first you turn on the waste waste on, this off, then you just do this. It's really hard. So, and now dirty water is flowing through there, and we just let it sit like this for a couple of minutes. But first I will just put this back. This is a system that you can control it through the Oasa Control app. So So that's really good. Look, it says Oaza living water. Cool. Well, it is covered and there's the Wi-Fi antenna. Probably, yeah. Yeah, that stick thingy coming out of it. And now let's put back this rock. It's hard to film and like carry a heavy object, so it's not heavy, just it's really hard. So, and sorry if the video quality or thingy is bad, because I was just in that tree thingy. Oh yeah, look, it's refilling itself. So, yeah, so that's cool. The skimmer lost water because it is still draining there. Because I don't want terrible water to go through the stone. Oh, now it's clear. So now we just do this. Actually, like it is the. Do you want to see that waterfall? We are not working on it, so no one cares. But this is how it should look. Water is slowly coming through, filling it up. It's bubbling. Now I want to get a real shot like this. Waterfall. It's so cool. Yeah, the pressure would be a lot stronger, but as you see, it works great, and it will start leaking again. Yeah, so that is why it's not on. So subscribe, I guess, because there will be more of this fountain in the channel. Also, quick note, this fountain is programmed, so every hour it like till 2 p.m. for the Americans, or like 14 o'clock. It actually does a show, and by 5 it has lights, and like every time till 4 or 2, sorry, like these will go to their maximum and go to like that bushy stuff, like that big one. These will go to there, so these are a lot like not that strong pumps as that one. Yeah, so hopefully you'll subscribe. And bye. Well, I don't have like that thingy to like do, so bye.